So we're gonna take everything out, demolish everything. Paper, ugly tile, and really old fixtures. I can't believe this is our house. Hey everyone, this is me from the future, aka today. Just finishing editing this video, and I realized I owe you so much more explanation. I decided to share this video anyway, even though we filmed it 3 months ago. I was 9 months pregnant when we got the keys, and it took us like 2-3 weeks to move in, and he came early, so it was a whole mess and everything kind of like went backwards, so I didn't get the chance to edit and share it with you, but I decided to still share it just because I'm planning to share so many makeover videos and decorating and everything. I'm actually an interior designer in my profession, and my husband is a contractor, so for us to move into a 100-year-old fixer-upper is a big deal still, but it's not impossible. So we were so excited to be able to buy the house of our dreams in the location of our dreams next to our family. So we feel really lucky, and this video is not at all, by all means, it's not to brag or show off or anything like that. It's just to show you the process that we are in, so we can just go through this journey together, and I'm so excited to share it with you, and I can't wait to show you the before and afters. If there are videos that I love the most are before and afters. I love those things. So a lot more to come. If you have any specific room you want to see before, you want to see more of, let me know in the comments below. And if you love before and afters and makeover videos, make sure to stick around and like this video and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss it. And yeah, now for the empty house tour. Hopefully you'll enjoy. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited. Today I'm going to share with you the new home that we have, that we bought, or shall I say our new old 1920 colonial house, which is a fixer-upper. A lot of work needs to be done, but I'm so excited to share it with you. It's a beautiful house, a lot of potential, and let's walk in. This is the entry. All the colonial stuff. Very simple though, not too much. Let's go. I never had an entryway. Even though it's small, it's still something I never had, so I'm very excited about it. I'm even excited about this light feature. I don't know. And now it's okay. So this is the living space, the living room. We are not sure how we're gonna lay it out, but there's still time for that. We're only gonna move in about 2 to 3 weeks from now, so there's a lot of work that needs to be done as soon as possible, like paint and obviously cleaning and other stuff. But we have a fireplace. How excited are you, Lior? We have a fireplace. This is a real fireplace. I've never had a fireplace before.
Really excited.
That's nice. We're gonna make it like a little bit nicer than this old marble, but do you think we can take this out? This
What?
Greek like thing here, like this genie in the bottle. Anyway, so that's that. And now let's go to this side, which is basically our dining area. Obviously this won't gonna stay, this side. But this is our living dining room, like official dining room. I don't know who's gonna come for dinner anytime soon, but it's gonna be nice when Corona will be over. And now it's a lot of mess here because they were actually been here in the past couple of days starting to work on this house. So obviously it was all empty when we got the keys. I'm gonna insert a clip now. This is our kitchen. We have big plans for this kitchen. Nothing will be done soon because we have 2-3 weeks before we need to be completely ready for this baby to come. So this is not a top priority, but we're gonna make it a little bit nicer, a little bit more modern for this time. But hopefully next year we're gonna got everything and have everything like fresh and new. But for now, we're gonna need to make it work. So stay tuned for this like facelift for this kitchen soon. Anyway, moving on. This is our Nook, which is basically the place where we're gonna eat most of the time because it's just the two of us and it's gonna be the three of us. So this is like the breakfast Nook. It's really cute. You're gonna see the outside, like our backyard from here. When it's gonna be snowy, it's gonna be so nice. It's hard for me to breathe. Obviously we're gonna sand and make everything like as nice as possible and paint everything. So that's another project for a different day, these two, but for now we're gonna utilize them because it's nice to have extra storage. Yeah, let's move on. Okay, let's talk about this cool stairs. So we basically have stairs that goes to the kitchen and to the living room. So this is our living room here, and this is our kitchen. And they're both coming to this landing here, where you can see our beautiful backyard, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. But first, let's go to the second floor. How nice is this not matching handrails? So my style. I love this. No, I'm kidding. We're gonna change it. This is the second floor where we have our, maybe we should turn on the lights. So we have 3 bedrooms here. We are planning to actually stay here and have the baby on the other side. So we're gonna have similar, like the same size rooms. We just thought it will be nice to be close to him. And yeah, there's a lot to do here. And this is the other room that I mentioned, which is exactly the same size, maybe a tiny bit smaller, but this is going to be the nursery. So I have big plans for this room. You're gonna see soon. I'm gonna make a huge mural here. I'm super excited about it. So yeah, this is gonna be the nursery. Let's move on to the room that we completely gutted. So I'm gonna insert pictures or videos of how it looked like when we first got it. And that's the bathroom. So as I mentioned, we only have 2-3 weeks until we move in. So we basically needed to decide of one room that we can put all of our efforts, like Leor's efforts. And so we decided that the bathroom is like the most important thing for us to completely regut and remodel. So that's what we're doing. Hopefully we'll be able to finish it in the next 2-3 weeks. So this is how it looks like now after, I think I can walk on it.
Yes, it's so cool.
Ooh, it's scary. So this is basically where the bathroom used to be, and as you can see, this is basically the only full bath here in the upper floors. We do have another one in the basement, but that's what will be used most of the time. That's why we wanted it new and fresh. So let's move on to the third bedroom, which is actually kind of a good size. I don't know what we're gonna do here yet. Probably it's gonna be my, dressing room. I don't know. I'm probably gonna put my clothes here. Maybe it's gonna be like my walk-in closet, I think. What's strange about this layout in this room is that in order to go to the third floor, you have to go through this bedroom. That's why we can't really use it as a bedroom, I guess, unless we really have to, and we don't need to. So it's just gonna be like a nice extra space for me. And from here, we're gonna go up to the third floor, which is basically the attic that they finished. So this is their third floor, and as I mentioned, it's basically the attic that they finished. So there's not a lot of work to do here. We do want to sand the floors and take all the wallpaper out, obviously. This is going to be our office. I'm so excited because when we thought originally to make the bedroom here, or our bedroom, and have all this space as our bedroom, it makes sense for many people, but for us, I think because we're such a creative couple, we need a lot of space to do our things and office and everything. So we decided to make this space as our office, as our kind of like getaway and be creative. So that's gonna be the space for that, and that's it. Let's go outside. So in order to go outside, there's actually a door here from the kitchen. This is our backyard basically, and we do have some storage here and like a coat closet. So this is the way to the basement as well. So here, the basement is over here, which has another full bath, and it's not a finished basement, so there's nothing to see there. Maybe in the future. But this is our backyard. I think this is the reason why we bought the house, right? It's not as nearly as nice as it was when we saw the house the first time, because when we saw it, it was just the beginning of the fall. So everything started to be red and beautiful. I'm gonna insert the clip here. Huge! You never had anything like that. All the other houses we've seen were tiny lands, and this just, we were sold by it, so very exciting. We have big plans for that too. Yeah, we have 3 kind of like seating areas. We have one over there, which is right now all the junk from the bathroom, and we have this small part. Have like a swing of this tree, one of them. I think it's gonna be so cool to have a swing here for the baby. And we also have a deck, which I love this part. So we have this like huge in my standards, big deck that we are planning to have the barbecue here and the seating area, and like it's gonna be so fun in the summertime. I'm so excited. And we're probably gonna have like all of these there, probably gonna be like flowers, and there we're gonna have vegetables over there. We haven't decided yet, but that's our backyard, and I'm so excited. This is my favorite part of the house. I can't wait for it to be spring again and just start working on it. This is our detached 2-car garage, and it's a bummer that it's detached, I know, but in the older houses everyone has detached. There is no one here in this neighborhood that has attached, so we had to just deal with it. And to be honest, we never had a garage anyway, so you know, it's an upgrade for us, so we're really happy about it. Right now we have the bath that we bought for the new bathroom, and the seating area that will be outside. There is another storage up there, and yeah, I'm so excited. That's about it. Are you ready to work? And this is like a shot from the back part of the house. I do want to mention we have a massive oak tree. This is the front porch that I'm standing on. We have a massive oak tree, so we need to see, maybe we can trim it. They started to trim it a little bit, but we might take a few more off just to make the entrance a little bit more open and inviting. But I kind of like this tree. I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty much it.